I first saw the Draper Corporation factory in 2018. I was completing a photographic project on the Blackstone Valley mills. My wife, Chris, traveled with me. Most people think that the Industrial Revolution began in the small cities of Lowell and Lawrence. It actually began in the Blackstone Valley. It started in the late 1790s. Within 20 years, there was an explosion of textile mill and dam building. Mills sprang up all along the rivers of the region. These mills were very primitive by today's standards. The technology kept evolving, though. Draper produced the Northrop loom, what quickly became the best-selling power loom in the world. You can actually see a room filled with operating Northrop looms at the Lowell National Historical Park. Production continued in Hopedale until the 1970s. At its height, the company employed more than 3,000 people in a space of 1.8 million square feet. Hopedale is a small New England town. The scale of the building dwarfed the surrounding homes. The building's been empty since the company closed. Standing on the sidewalk, you could see holes in the roof of the plant. We assumed the factory was also loaded with toxic chemicals like asbestos. Repurposing the mills seemed very unlikely. Buildings like this have another problem. They burn, and when they burn, the fire is catastrophic. In 2007, the Bernat Mill, just a few towns over, burned. 50 different fire departments battled the flames for more than 3 days. I can be pretty sentimental, but it was clear that the Draper Mill needed to go, though the funding for the demolition had eluded everyone for decades. At the start of the pandemic, though, Chris found an article in the local paper announcing that the demolition of the Draper Factory was about to begin.